If you feel you're not getting the views you should be getting, then it's probably because you're making one of the mistakes that I'm about to list in this video. So if you're able to watch this video to the very end, you might be able to improve and correct these mistakes. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 8 upload mistakes that ruin your YouTube videos. But before we dive into this topic, please like and subscribe. It is really, really important. So let's dive in. First thing you're supposed to do is to ensure that this setting is switched off. You're going to scroll down. Make sure you do this before you upload the video. I cannot change the setting of this video because this video has already been uploaded. So this place just right under the license, you're going to make sure that this place where they wrote publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers, make sure it is switched off. Do not turn it on. The reason is because maybe you might have gotten a large number of your subscribers from a certain content, and maybe this video that you're about to upload is a content that is different from that content that got you a lot of subscribers. So when you switch on this setting, it will show your subscribers that video, and you know what will happen. They will swipe away and they will not watch the video, and YouTube will see this as your subscribers are not ready to watch your videos. Your subscribers don't want to watch your videos, so they will not even show you to a larger audience. They will not show you to other viewers. So, and that video will take a long while to be discovered. So make sure that the setting is turned off. This place where they wrote publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers, make sure it is always turned off. Some YouTubers promote their videos almost immediately they upload it into YouTube. And the funny thing is that there is nothing wrong with promoting your videos, but some YouTubers get this very wrong. You have to wait at least 20 hours or at least 24 hours to 40 hours before you promote your videos to other social media platforms. But some YouTubers don't do this. There are some YouTubers that I know that immediately they upload their videos, they will start sending it to other social media platforms immediately. It won't even take up to like 10 minutes they sent it to YouTube. They will start sending the links to other social media platforms, their WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, and other social media platforms. This is very wrong. You have to wait at least 24 hours to 40 hours before you send your videos to other platforms. Promoting your videos is not bad, but at least wait for YouTube to recommend your videos to the required viewers. The reason why you have to wait for 24 hours or 40 hours before you send it to other social media platforms is you want YouTube to send your videos out organically. If you do this, if you don't correct yourself, if you keep on promoting your videos before 24 hours, then next time you post your videos, YouTube will just be like, okay, send your videos out to yourself, do it yourself, get your views yourself. You don't need us. So let YouTube work. Let YouTube do its work. If you're guilty of this mistake, please, you have to stop it. Correct yourself. Stop promoting your videos before 24 hours. Wait for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, you can send your videos out to whichever site or link or social media platforms you want to send it to. Another mistake that YouTubers normally make is not checking their YouTube analytics. Every video you upload, you have to check how that video performed. So you're going to go to the YouTube Studio Analytics and click on the analytics bar, and then you're going to select a particular video. You're going to see all the videos that performed well, so you can click on one and check. So in this video here, I have 241 views for this video, and I have 8.0 watch time from this video, and I got 6 subscribers from this particular video. So you're going to check everything about it, how viewers found the video, from recommendations, from YouTube home, from YouTube up next, from channel pages, YouTube features, YouTube search, and others. You're going to see all these things, and just have to check all these things to know how you're going to improve, how you change your strategy, and how you will improve your strategy whenever you're creating your videos. And it will tell you the kind of videos you should be making. Like for example, I got 6 subscribers from this particular video, so it shows that people really like CapCut videos because this video is about CapCut. So try to be checking your analytics. If you don't check it, make sure you start checking it now. A lot of YouTubers don't name their file. You need to change the name of your video clip. Immediately you're done editing your videos and you want to publish it into YouTube, you have to change the name of that file. Don't leave the name as the name your phone or your whatever left it as. You need to go back and change the name of that file to the title of that video. This helps YouTube to know what that video is about, and it will recommend the video to the required audience. Then we have the description and tags mistake. You see this description and tag mistake, a lot of us are very, very guilty of this mistake. You just add random words into your description. This will hurt your channel. It will hurt that particular video. So how do you do it? Make sure that your description, make sure that it contains at least some words from the title of the video. And your tags should be the same but with different relevant keywords. That is how you write your description and tags. Your tags are very important, and maybe if you don't know how to come up with tags, you can use tools like vidIQ. vidIQ can help you come up with relevant tags and description also. The next mistake that YouTubers usually make is not selecting the kind of category that video they are about to upload is. So here you have the category. Make sure that before you upload your videos, make sure that you select the category of the videos. If the video is about education, make sure you click on education. If it's about entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to and style, music, non-profit and activism, people and blogs, pets and animals, make sure you select the category of your video type. It will help you get your viewers. A lot of YouTubers just wake up and just decide to create random videos. You have to make the kind of content that people want to see. So how do you know the kind of content people want to see? So if you want to create content, you already have your idea. So go to YouTube search bar and type in the word that you want to, maybe a word related to that video you want to create. When you type in that word, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see videos that they have done related to that word, and you're going to check the views. When you check the views, you will see that you will see if that video is wanted by people. So you're going to be aiming for videos that have at least 1 million views, 500k views, 50k views, 100k views. That is the kind of videos you should be aiming for. That is the kind of content you should be creating. When you notice that a video you want to create have maybe 2k views, 1k views, 5k views, you need to stop. You need to abandon that video. Do not create the video because people don't want to see the video. If you create it, people will likely not watch it, especially if you're a small YouTuber. So you need to focus on creating videos that people want to see. Videos that got 500k views within 2 days or 3 days. So that's the kind of video you should be creating. Before you create your videos, go to YouTube and make your research. The next mistake that creators make is not pinning their comments. You can use these pinned comments if you have a sponsored post, or if you have something to sell or something free to give out, or if you want people to subscribe, you can go to the comment section and type in, please subscribe to this channel after watching my video. Then you pin it. So if you don't pin your comments or you don't do all these things I'm saying, please, you have to correct yourself. Maybe if you want people to have a discussion or engage more in that video, you want people to discuss and share their opinions regarding that video, you can go to the comment section and ask a question related to the video and pin it. People will definitely reply you, people will definitely answer you, and it will start up a conversation in the comment section. And remember, YouTube favors videos that have high engagement, and comments attract engagement. So please start pinning your comments if you don't pin your comments. The last and final mistake that many creators make is not getting better every time they upload their videos. If you don't get better every time you upload, then you should, I don't know what to say. So you need to know the kind of videos you should be making. You need to know how long your videos should be. You should know how well you should edit your videos, know the kind of thing that your subscribers or audience want to watch. All these things, you need to find them out. You need to know your audience retention, know how long people stay watching your videos. You need to know all these things, and that is why the YouTube analytics is there. It is there to show you all this information. So if you don't learn all these things, if you don't correct yourself, if you don't improve yourself, then it will be very hard for you to make it on YouTube. So you need to know all these things. After knowing all these things, then you're going to improve, and when you improve, you're going to get more views, you're going to get more subscribers, and you're going to get everything that you've ever dreamed of on YouTube. So please keep on posting your videos and keep on correcting yourself, keep on improving, keep on making your mistakes. Mistakes are there, everybody makes mistakes, but when you make a mistake, please try to correct yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please help me by subscribing and make sure you smash that like button. It is very important. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.